Okay guys, so it's like 5 o'clock. We're up early in the cold freezing Canberra with morning looks, like fayangi makeup, because my dad thought it was okay to just rush us off at 4:30. Our flight is at 6:30 and we're here almost like 2 hours early, but it's all good. All good. There's the famous Siaosi. Yeah, so I'm wearing something very warm today because when it gets cold, I'm gonna get changed probably in Brisbane into something more warm. What am I trying to say? All right, I'm gonna vlog again when my brain turns back on. Hey guys, it's actually quite packed, so we're not the only early birds. So finally on the plane going to Brisbane. Hi Aussie.
Hi everyone.
Did you have a good birthday yesterday?
Yeah. Thank you for my family and friends for...
It's the other way around, honey.
comments on my birthday and for coming to...
We haven't had any coffee yet. Probably should have to wake us up. I'm still kind of tired. God, I'm so tired. We're looking for the international bus transfer.
Yeah. This is Brisbane Airport, International Airport. This is sushi.
I already got one of those international things, so we can just go straight ahead.
Looking for flight to Singapore.
Sorry about that. We had to cut it off short because Siaosi got in trouble for filming in customs.
Yeah, I'm not care about customs.
Seriously, I feel like they just have this attitude, like a superior attitude. It pisses me off. Like they're no better than anyone else. Yeah, I know they're just doing their job, but you don't need to speak to people in a rude way, the way that they were speaking to us. And they wouldn't even let me stand next to Siaosi when he was trying to check in. This is his first time traveling. Yeah, maybe they don't have to consider that, but like they can see he's clearly my partner, my husband, and they're like, no, sorry, you stand on the other side. It's like, why? And if you're watching this and you work for them, please don't come for me. I don't want any, I didn't say anything. Seriously, this, for these 3 things it costs $45. Wow. Did you bring some forks, honey? Oh my god, that is actually really good. Oh my god, that tastes delicious. I got a New Yorker, and Siaosi did too. Oh my god, these are so good. I want you to taste the chips and tell me what you think. What do you reckon? So good.
Look at this big boat. Big.
It's not a boat, honey.
Look this big plane.
Look how massive that 737 is. Damn, son. To our gate, and Siaosi's not feeling well. He had a little cramp on his calf muscle.
Yeah.
So I've just been sitting here massaging it, but I'm getting tired and sweaty. Sorry, honey, you're on your own.
Something happened to my legs.
Huh?
Something happened to my legs. The muscle is so sore. It's tight. Feel tight.
Good morning.
I'm sick of waiting. I'm tired of flying.
Baby, you've only flown one little plane, which was an hour.
but we wait to call, reject us when we on the plane.
When we on the plane, we are still waiting for our flight, and look what Siaosi have me doing.
It's hurting so much.
He's cramping all over the place, and I'm sitting here on the ground. I'm like a homeless. The things you do for love. We're finally boarding now. We're going in now. Aussie? Aussie's foot is still hurting. 56. We ain't nowhere yet, honey. 38. 40. 41.
Hi. Oh, she was massaging you in the terminal.
He's got a cramp.
I was laughing.
Wife, actually, I think it's a must.
Oh, even better.
54. Almost there. 55. 56. This is us. Guys, Aussie has just gone to the toilet. Oh no, he's back. I'll hold it for you. I'm so glad that we're sitting together in just our two, because on our way to Brisbane we were sitting on a 3-aisle road and it was just really annoying. But I'm quite happy, just me and him. Just his leg is still hurting, so as soon as we get to Singapore, probably try and find a chemist, and I hope they have Voltaren. But hopefully we can. Ow, honey. The struggles of having long hair, seriously. And also we changed our mind. We ended up getting travel insurance because of everybody's comments saying that it was silly not to, so we ended up getting travel insurance, which I felt a lot better about as well. Don't you, honey? Huh?
Yeah. My legs sore.
After 4 meals, almost 8 hours, 3 movies, still on the plane. I feel sick, so very sick.
Slept so many times. I wake up every time, feeling alright. We're here at Singapore Airport.
Hey guys, we just arrived at Singapore Airport. Looks a little bit weird.
Thanks God for protections upon us on our way to Singapore. Now we arrive and stop. Hey. We inside here to Singapore. Welcome to Terminal 1.
It's so humid here, guys. It's so blinking hot. It's about 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Seriously. There ain't no way. No. I'm like so hot and sweaty. It is like humid as just like Samoa. And our Uber is 1 minute away. It's been saying that like for ages. Enough? Fit? Fit? All good? This one front. Oh, okay. This one back?
Are you sure the road name correct Ben P meal?
Let me double check, okay?
Because I never heard Tantina got a hotel.
Yeah, no one's heard it before. I booked online hotel. I'll check.
Yeah, because Galambasa is many hotels.
Oh, really?
After trying to look for a hotel, that guy said, our Uber driver had said that he had never heard of our hotel. But turns out we found it. I was a little bit nervous. I thought someone had scammed me, but it seems really nice.
Hey, no problem.
Thank you.
So one more, right? You need one more?
Yeah, maybe that's mine.
Thank you.
I'm tired. I'm so tired, man. 8 hours flight.
Yeah. And this is like one of the crappiest hotels we've ever been in. It's Zen Rooms in Singapore. It wasn't quite what we expected, so we booked another one, which is a 4-star, I think close to 5-star hotel. We will go there tomorrow.